Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install apps on TCL A300W. To install apps, go to Home, I'm in Home right now, then click on the left button and go into Apps. Here are your apps. The ones that have a cloud underneath are not downloaded, but you can quickly download them by just clicking on them. Or if you want a different app or game, go down to the search bar and now you can search for something. Let's search for Disney Plus. And now here is the app. I can click on it and it's installed right now, but if it wasn't, I would be able to click on install here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.